Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I would like to give an example on trapezoidal rule C. This is the statement of the given problem. Apply suitable numerical integration formula to evaluate the value of integral 0 to 5 1 by 4x plus 5 dx approximately by taking 6 ordinates and hence estimate the value of log 5 to the base e. Okay, here given problem has two parts. So first of all, look at the first part. Here particularly formula is not provided to you, so you should identify which formula is going to apply here. See, since we have to take 6 ordinates. Ordinates are nothing but functioning values. We should divide the range. What is the range here? Limits of the given integral 0, 5 into 5 equal parts. So that is n value is 5. Okay, clearly n is equal to 5 is not an even number and it is not a multiple of 3. That's why we can apply trapezoidal rule. Only trapezoidal rule is applicable to solve this type of problems. Okay, particularly asking that we have to solve this problem by taking 6 ordinates. For 6 ordinates, you should take 5 equal parts for the range. 5 is not an even number. It is not an even number and it is not a multiple of 3. That's why only trapezoidal rule is suitable numerical integration formula here. So h value is b minus a by n, which is 5 minus 0 by 5. 5 by 5 is 1. Now we construct the following data. We construct the following data for x and y. See, so x values. Okay, right, x values and y. What is y? Given function. Our y is given function inside the integral, which is 1 by 4x plus 5. So start the x values with lower limit 0 and add lower limit to h value, which is 1. So you will get 1, 2, 3. We can continue the process until to get the upper limit 5, 4 and finally you will get 5. Now we have to find out the functioning values of y at a different values of x. By using the scientific calculator, we can get this entire table value at a time. See, so use mode and table 7. We have to type the function here, which is 1 by 4x. For x, operate RCL and this closed bracket. You will get 4x plus 5. So this is the given function is equal to, what is the starting value of x? 0 is equal to, what is the ending of value of the x, which is the upper limit also, 5 is equal to, what is the step size? 1 is equal to. Now you will get the functioning values at a time, all functioning values at a time. So at 0 it is 0.2, at 1 it is 0.11 and scroll down. At 2 it is 0.0769. Okay. At 4 it is 0.0588. At 4 it is 0.0476 and last value, which is functioning value at 5, is 0.04. Okay, and put the names for y values. This is y0 and y1 and y2 y3, y4, y5. Okay, now apply the trapezoidal rule here. By trapezoidal rule, we have given integral 0 to 5 1 by 4x plus 5 dx is equal to h by 2 into sum of first and last functioning values in the data, which are y0 and y5, plus 2 into sum of remaining all terms between them, which are y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 only. Replace all values here. H value is nothing but 1 by 2. Sum of first and last are 0.2 plus 0.04 plus 2 times of y1. So 0.1111 plus 0.07 plus 0.0588 plus 0.0476. Close the brackets. So calculate this entire value by using scientific calculator. Already we have this calculation in our scientific calculator. To remove this one, operate mode and 1. So first operate entire terms between square brackets. Open the bracket. 0.2 plus 0.04, close the bracket, plus 2 times of 0.1111 plus 0.07 plus 0.0588 plus 0.0476, close the bracket, is equal to, we have to divide the entire value with 2. So division 2. So you will get 0.4075 approximately. This is the integration value by using trapezoidal rule. Now first part is completed. You can take this is equation number 1. Now we have to find out the value of log 5 to the base e. Now take siding actual value. Actual value is nothing but original value of the given definite integral. By analytic method is nothing but direct method. Integral 0 to 5 4x plus 5 dx becomes 1 by 4. What is the integration of 1 by ax plus b? The integration of 1 by ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a log of ax plus b to the base e. According to this formula, this integration becomes 1 by 4 of log 4x plus 5 to the base e. Within the limits, integration is completed, then we have to evaluate, we have to apply limits 0 to 5. 1 by 4, by applying upper limit, whenever we have x, replace it by upper limit. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 5, 25, minus, replace x by lower limit, which is 0, you will get log 5 to the base e. So what is log 25 minus log 5? 1 by 4 into log m by n formula. So 25 by 5. This is m and this is n. By using log m minus log n, you will get log m by n to the base e. So it is 1 by 4 into log 5 to the base e. Take it equation number 2. According to the trapezoidal rule, integration of 0 to 5 1 by 4x plus 5 dx value is this one 0.4075, but originally the value of integral 0 to 5 1 by 4x plus 5 is 1 by 4 into log 5 to the base e. That is why we should equate 1 is equal to 2. 1 is equal to 2. So you will get 1 by 4 log 5 to the base e is equal to 0.4075. From this we have to calculate the value of log 5, which is 4 times of 0.4075, which is equal to, see, 4 times of 0.4075. So is equal to 1.63 approximately. This is an estimated value, but it may be not an exact value. Okay, that's why you should write approximately for the conclusion step. Okay, this is the one of the important problem on trapezoidal rule. In the next class, I will give another application problem. Thank you.